Jacoby Smith is set to go down against Seok Kyung Ko, and I'm pretty confident this is going to be an amazing fight. Jacoby Smith is extremely dangerous, tough fighter, having a record of 11-0, 47 Ms fell. He destroyed Nico Price, Preston Parsons, Christian Savoy, and against Seok Kyung Ko, he'll try to extend his winning streak. The Korean fella is 5'10", 71 inches of reach. Super strong guy who outsmarted Alban Elliott and Phil Rao. Also defeated Jorge Cavalcanti, but at the local circuit he was super dominant. But it seems here he participates in long fights, technical wars. But against Jacoby Smith, I just think technical war is not a possibility. This guy is extremely powerful and always chases for a finish. Only 2 decision wins. As much as I'm a fan of Seo Kyung Ko, I'm confident that Jacoby Smith is going to get the job done. So I'm gonna say Jacoby Smith for the victory.